Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add a custom domain email in Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what we need to do is simply head over to our settings from the bottom left side of our screen, and once we are here, you can see we have this domain options under apps and sales channel, and you can choose between two options. Either you can connect your existing domain or you can purchase completely new one, which Shopify fortunately offers you guys, and this is a really great option. You can see we have various domains going on. You can choose between these. Let's just say this one looks good, or maybe this one. I'm going to be clicking onto that if I want to purchase it, and enter the billing information and everything, and I can purchase this domain. So that's how easily you can add a custom domain email in Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.